JavaScript is arguably one of the most important languages today. The rise of the internet has helped JavaScript scale to a stellar level. So without any delay, let's go ahead and look at the origins of JavaScript and some of its recent milestones. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. JavaScript is a powerful client-side scripting language. It is mainly used for enhancing the interaction of a user with the web page. In other words, you can make your web page more lively and interactive with the help of this programming language. JavaScript is also being used widely in game development and mobile application development. Moving on to the birth of JavaScript, it was written in 10 days by Brendan Eich in 1995. He was working at Netscape at the time and was implementing Java, the hot buzzword for the browser. However, Eich developed a more easy-to-use programming language called Mocha. The idea was to make Java available for big professional component writers, while Mocha would be used for small scripting tasks. Mocha was later renamed to LightScript and then to JavaScript, which was a straightforward marketing strategy to gain wider recognition and acceptance. JavaScript was brought to the ECMA Standards Group in 1996 to create an official standard for the language that everyone could follow. So we had ECMAScript 1 or ES1 in 1997, followed by ES2 in 1998 and ES3 in 1999. The next release was after a decade in 2009. During this period, some amazing innovations on JavaScript outside the ES committee came into existence. JavaScript frameworks like Ajax, Prototype, jQuery, Dojo, and MooTools, among others, were developed that made programming a lot easier. In 2009, along with the ES Standard 5, Node.js was released. This allowed programmers to write full applications in JavaScript. NPM or Node Package Manager was created for installing reusable bits of code in libraries. ES6 was released in 2015, and by then JavaScript had gained immense popularity and was one of the most in-demand programming languages. Today, applications of JavaScript can be seen in diverse fields like gaming, web development, server development, and robotics, among others. Popular JavaScript libraries and frameworks like React.js and Angular have scaled tremendously in the past few years. Companies like PayPal, Netflix, Facebook, Google, Uber, and HBO use JavaScript and their frameworks in their products. JavaScript developers have some of the highest tech salaries in the US at an average of nearly $114,000 per year. The average salary of a JavaScript developer in India is around 5.6 lakhs per annum. JavaScript has come a long way since its birth and will continue to evolve in the coming years. With this, we've come to the end of this video. Like and share the video if you find this interesting. We will be back with another technology in the next episode. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.